Welcome to Nail Truths by Tammy Taylor. Did you know your nails don't breathe? You are not suffocating your nails by putting nail products on top of them. Your nails can't breathe and they don't need to breathe. I asked internationally known scientist Doug Schoon if nails need to breathe. He said, nails have no lungs. The nail cells in the matrix get their oxygen from the blood. No oxygen is absorbed from the outside world into the nail. I also asked if nail polish is breathable. He said, it depends on how you define breathable. I've not seen a credible definition yet, and I've not seen a nail polish that I would consider to be breathable. Your nails might be feeling weak and sensitive. This could be caused by picking off nails, nail drills, overfiling, and chemicals. The most important thing is to keep the integrity of the nail with quality products, proper application, proper removal, and a healthy daily nail routine. Always remember to ask questions and do your research.